As darkness falls, some of the herds that had been grazing out in the open retreat into the forest for shelter. Now, the odds switch in favor of the predators. Tyrannosaurs have the largest eyes of any dinosaur, which gives them superb low-light vision. And they're able to move through the forest in near silence, thanks to cushioned pads at their feet. A group of Edmontosaurus. They lack armor, but they're as big as T-Rex and twice as fast. To catch one needs each of the hunters carefully moves into position. Then one deliberately makes a noise. The Edmontosaurs are alarmed. They now know hunters are close, but they don't know exactly where they are. Time to spring the trap. Rush! The herd panics and bolts to where the other T-Rex is waiting. Greatest land predators that have ever lived.